Hello guys, welcome back to the first video of my YouTube channel. And today we'll be solving this problem right here. And this is a problem of synthetic division or polynomial division. So to start off, we see that the divisor is x plus 2, which means z plus 2. So we can use synthetic division because there are a few things that need to be present for us to use synthetic division. So number one, in synthetic division, this right here, the coefficient has to be a 1. If it's not a 1, we can't do it. So it has to be this kind of form. And once we figure it out, it is a 1. We can set it equal to 0. So minus 2 on both sides. Z equals -2. All right. So -2. We write the coefficients over here. So the coefficient of z squared is 1, coefficient of 7z is 7, and the coefficient of -3 is -3. So the first move we do is drag the 1 down, so right there, and then we multiply 1 by -2 to get -2, and then we drag it back down to get 5, and then we multiply to get -10. So from here to there, so we drag it down, we multiply, boom, plug it there. Drag it down, add and everything, multiply, put it there. And this time, we just drag it down since there's no other number. So -13 will be our remainder, and this will be our x term. So this will just be x plus 5 with the remainder of -13. But that's not how we leave it. Instead, we do x plus 5 minus 13 divided by z plus 2 because that's what we're dividing by. So that'll be the remainder. So that's going to be our answer. That's the first way of doing it. That's called synthetic division. The next way of doing it is a way that you guys all seen before, which is polynomial division. So z plus 2 divided by z squared plus 7z minus 3. So z plus 2. So what times z can we get to z squared? Hopefully you guys are saying z. So we put z. And then we just multiply. So we get, okay, so z times z is z squared. And then 2 times z is 2z. Okay. And then now we subtract. So keep, change, and then flip. These two cancel out. And then we're left with 7z minus 2z, which is just 5z minus 3. Okay, so what can we do to get to 5z? Well, the z's are already present there, so we just need to multiply by positive 5. So we write a plus 5, right? So then 5 times z is 5z. 5 times 2 is 10, so plus 10. Then we subtract, so keep, change, and then flip. So plus a negative. That cancels out. We're left with -13 as our remainder. Like so. And then we write it in the same way. So z plus 5 minus 13 divided by our divisor, which is z plus 2. So this is the equivalent form of this right here. And because these two match up, that's correct, and that's also correct. So that is how we solve polynomial division.